The traditional wedge shape with a longer hosel design and the low heel, traditionally it's going to pull the center of gravity towards the heel, so the sweet spot's not centralized on the wedge. So what that means is when you hit one in the middle, in the center of the score lines, as everybody aims to do, you're actually mishitting it slightly. However, if you can neutralize that sweet spot, if you can get it right to the center of the score lines, then all those mishits are minimized. It's less of a mishit. You're going to get more consistency. And honestly, that's the real idea behind the ES21 wedge. Yeah, an interesting thing that I love is from the engineering side that we did to it is actually, if you look on the back part, right in the center of the back, there's a little logo. That's the logo of a center of gravity. It'll balance directly on that center of gravity logo. So that wedge can balance right on there, which is something that no other wedge in the market can do. And it just shows that we dialed it in specifically to the center of the score lines. We've done it with a two-piece construction. It's a Grain Flow Forged Boron face and neck part welded to a stainless steel back piece. And the interesting thing is when you look inside that back piece, what we've done to the weighting. We've stripped out all of the material from the heel side, minimum thickness everywhere, and we've shoved all of that mass on the high toe side. So the interesting thing about this wedge is the construction is so different that you're going to see something different depending on the angle you look at it. If you look at this club from behind, you see a lot of thickness, a ton of mass up high, and a very unique shape. It's almost, it looks big. However, when you look at it at address, all of that goes away. All of a sudden, it still has that player shape that you're looking for. So what may look on the shelf like a game improvement or for a high handicap wedge is not that at all. When you look at it at address, you realize that high handicaps, low handicaps, anybody looking for more consistency out of their short game can get that out of the ES21.